The tech world is buzzing right now as fresh leaks about Google's upcoming Pixel 10 series have hit the internet just weeks before the official launch, and if you've been following the smartphone race in the US, you know this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting battles we've seen in years. The leaks reveal both the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro in what appear to be official marketing videos showing off a sleeker design, upgraded camera hardware, and some bold new AI-powered features that might give Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra and Apple's iPhone 16 Pro a serious run for their money. According to the leak, the Pixel 10 Pro will sport a slightly larger display with slimmer bezels and a new matte finish that looks premium and helps with grip, while the regular Pixel 10 will keep things compact but still offer most of the flagship features. The big talking point, though, is the camera system. Google seems to be going all in with a triple lens setup on the Pro model, featuring a 50 megapixels main sensor, an upgraded ultra-wide, and a new periscope telephoto capable of up to 10x optical zoom. That's right, 10x optical, not digital. This could be a game changer for mobile photography in 2025, especially for content creators who want DSLR-like versatility in their pocket. But hardware is only half the story. Google's pushing its AI game even further with the new Tensor G5 chip, which according to early benchmarks delivers significant gains in processing speed, machine learning tasks, and battery efficiency. Leaks suggest we'll see real-time video translation, improved photo unblurring tools, and next-gen voice assistant capabilities that could outpace Siri and Bixby entirely. One of the leaked promo clips even shows someone pointing their Pixel 10 Pro at a street sign in a foreign language, and the phone instantly replaces it on screen with perfectly blended English text. It's like Google Lens on steroids, and for travelers this could be huge. Another area where Google might be aiming for the win is battery life. The leak hints at a larger battery paired with a more efficient 3nm chip process and AI-powered battery optimization to stretch out usage well beyond what we see in current flagships. Wireless charging is said to be faster, and reverse charging could get a bump too, making it easier to top up your earbuds or smartwatch on the go. Speaking of smartwatches, Google's August 20th event will also reportedly debut the Pixel Watch 4, which is rumored to come with deeper Fitbit integration, improved battery life, and new health sensors, making it a stronger Apple Watch alternative for Android users. Now here's where things get interesting for US buyers. Pricing, according to the leak, might stay competitive, with the Pixel 10 starting around $799 and the Pro model at $999, undercutting the Galaxy S25 Ultra by several $100s while still delivering flagship-level performance and features. If that holds true, Google could finally shake up the premium phone market in a serious way. Of course, Samsung and Apple won't just sit back. Samsung's S25 Ultra is already a beast with its new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and Apple's iPhone 16 Pro is expected to bring even better cameras and an A18 Pro chip. But Google's advantage here could be in the software department. Pixel phones often age better in terms of updates and AI smarts, and with Android 15 launching alongside the Pixel 10 series, US customers might be tempted by that longer support window plus clean Android experience. There's also a growing group of consumers in the States who are tired of the same two choices year after year and are ready to try something fresh, and with Google's marketing ramping up and leaks like this building hype, it's hard not to get excited. We'll have to wait until the official reveal in New York to confirm all these details. But if the leaks are accurate, the Pixel 10 series could be the most compelling alternative to Galaxy and iPhone we've seen in years. So if you're in the market for a new phone in 2025, especially one that blends great hardware with unmatched AI features, the Pixel 10 might just be the device to watch. Keep an eye on this story because the smartphone war in the US is about to heat up, and Google looks ready to throw some serious punches.